Okay, let's learn about unit conversion today. So first we'll learn about how to change kilometer per hour into meter per second. Since meter per second is actually this unit for the speed and it is SI unit, so in many of the numericals we have to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, right? So as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and in 1 hour how many seconds we have? That is 3600 seconds, right? So in order to understand kilometer per hour, I can simply write it as kilometer per hour, right? So this dash is actually giving you the division sign. So kilometer per hour, 1 kilometer 1 hour, right? So 1 kilometer, how many meters it has? 1000 meters. So I'm writing here meter, and in hour there are 3600 seconds. So simply we can cut these two zeros and we can cancel 10 and 36 using 2. So here it will be 5 and here it is 18. So my answer will be here 5 upon 18 meter per second, right? That means 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second, right? So let's take an example. For example, you have 72 kilometer per hour and we have to change it into meter per second. So in that case, I can simply multiply 72 with 5 upon 18. So 18 1 and this is 4. So it's 20 meter per second, right? So how I have done this? Since I know that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second. So whenever I have to change kilometer per hour into meter per second, I can simply multiply that term using with 5 upon 18. I'll get the answer in meter per second, right? One more example you can have here. Let it be 36 kilometer per hour. Now you have to change it into meter per second. So again multiply this 5 upon 18. We can cut 18 with 2. So here again I get 10 meter per second is the answer, right? So simply you can learn whenever you have to change kilometer per hour into meter per second. So you have to just multiply kilometer per hour value with 5 upon 18. You will get your answer into meter per second, right? We can take the example of another unit conversion also. So let's take centimeter per second into meter per second. So why again and again I am changing it into meter per second? So as we know, this is the unit for the speed and SI unit. So every time we have to give the answers in SI unit. So we are changing every unit into meter per second. So let's do it how we can change it into meter per second. So as we know that 1 meter, it has 100 centimeter, and second is already here, we need not change that. That means 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So if 1 centimeter per second is just 1 upon 100 meter per second, right? Okay, let's take an example. A car covers a distance of 6 kilometer in 5 minutes, right? So we have to calculate the speed in centimeter per second also, in meter per second also, and in kilometer per hour also, right? So let's do the first one. We know that speed is 6 kilometer divided by 5 minutes. Why it is so? Because the formula for the speed is distance upon time. Distance upon time, and as we know, distance here is 6 kilometer and time here is 5 minutes. So it is 6 upon 5 kilometer per minute. So in the first case I have to change it into centimeter per second, right? So let's understand this. Since we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1000 multiply by 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter as well, so it is equal to centimeter here. And since it is given in minutes and I have to convert it into seconds, so 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds as well, right? That means 6 kilometer will be equal to 6000 meter, will be equal to 6000 multiply 100 also centimeters, right? So let it be first equation. And 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 60, that is 300 seconds, right? Equation 2. Now we can change it into centimeter per second, that means this one and this one I am taking. So 6 kilometer per minute will be equal to 6 0 double 0 double 0 and one more 0 divide by 300. Let's cut these two zeros and this also, so I'll get 2000 centimeter per second, right? So in the next part we have to change it into meter per second. So as we know that it's 6000 6 kilometer 5 minutes, so it is equal to 6000 meter and seconds 300 seconds, right? So again we can simply cut this, so it will be 20 here, so 20 meter per second. And the third part we have to change it into kilometer per hour. So again 6 kilometer 5 minutes, so it is 6 kilometer is already in kilometers, so it is kilometer, and I have to change 5 minute into hour, so I have to divide this by 60 as well. So I'll get 6 6 36 0 divided by 5. I can simply cut this, so it is your 5 72 kilometer per hour is your answer. So I hope unit conversion is clear to all of you, and again I am telling it to you that the main point here is that how to change your kilometer per hour into meter per second. So simply we are just multiplying with the number with 5 upon 18. I'll get my answer in meter per second, right?